Nice question. Given to you is LIs are consecutive terms of an AP with common difference D1. You have another AP with WIs at as it terms, and the common difference given to you is D2. The relation between D1 D2 is given to you that the product is 10. Now they are looking for a rectangle Ri. Okay, for each I, they are looking for rectangle Ri with length Li and width Wi. And they are calling AI as the area of that rectangle. And what they have given us is this information. Okay, and they are looking for this information. So what do I know? Of course, what is AI? Okay, you know area of the rectangle, length times breadth, that's the area of the rectangle. Okay, and I varies from 1 to 100, that is what we have here. Okay, another sequence basically. Now for this sequence, what they have given us is just this information that A51 minus A50 is 1000. Okay. And what are they looking for? Another information about the same sequence. Okay, A100 minus A90 is what they're looking for. Okay, what do I do? Of course, okay, what do I do is I have to exploit this information, okay, and use that LIs and WIs are APs with different common differences, okay, and figure out if I can use that information to figure out the unknown. Okay, so let's get started. What is this? Okay, let's write that. This is L51 W51 minus L50 W50 is equal to 1000. Okay, what do I do now? I cannot use D1, D2 here, right? Okay, because I don't see any consecutive terms or any something, nothing is common here. So one thing is that you can just try to open it up in terms of like first term and common difference, this also. What I am going to do right here is, let's use one trick, okay? What I am going to see, if I want something common, okay, this is my first term. Okay, what I will do is, let's say I subtract. First term, I keep it the same because I want to take that common. And the another term, I'm going to write W50. You see, so just see the motive. Okay, this is a similar thing we use when we try to get formulas for derivatives. Okay, so I am adding and subtracting something. Okay, and then last term I'm just going to write like that. This is L50 W50. Okay, this is equal to 1000. Okay, now what miracle that happened? Because I am going to take these two, so I'm getting L51 W51 minus W50. Okay, that was the motive. From here, I'm going to take W50 common. L51 minus L50 is again here. What is this? Yeah, I got D2, right? It's the consecutive terms of WI. I got D2. And what is that? It's D1. Okay, this is what I got. But still not very good, right? Because still L51 and W50 is not needed here. Okay, so what I do is now I just go ahead and open it up. Okay, I just say that, okay, this is L1 plus N minus 1, 51 minus 1, that's 50. Okay, and the common difference was D1 for LIs. Okay, similarly, I do for the other one. W1 plus 50 minus 1, that's 49, D2, D1, that's 1000. Now what? I just collect the terms. Okay, so L1 D2 I just keep it L1 D2, and W1 D1 also I just keep it W1 D1. Okay, what is remaining? You see, the remaining is D1 D2 here also and D1 D2 here also, whose value we know. Okay, what is 50 plus 49? 99. Okay, 99 D1 D2 is 1000. Okay, so let's keep the value of D1 D2 now. Okay, this will be 1000 minus 99 D1 D2. Okay, D1 D2 is 10. Okay, so I end up in getting what? 1000 minus 990. That is what? 10. Okay, so this information I got L1 D2 plus W1 D1 is equal to 10. I'm going to use now. Okay, to figure out what is this. Okay, let's get started with that. So what is this? A100. Okay, so A100 is again L100 W100 minus L90 W90. Okay, that's obvious. Now what? See, again you can open all the four up. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the special technique now. Okay, adding and subtracting thing. So now I'm subtracting L100, I want to take common, so I will do L100 and W90. Okay, plus add the same thing, L100 W90, and rest you can subtract. Okay, L90 W90. Okay, now what are you going to do? Take the two things in one bracket. Okay, what is common? L100. Okay, and W100 minus W90. Second bracket, you got W90 to be common. L100 minus L90. Okay, good. Now, what do you know about this? What is this? There are 10 terms in between, right? Okay, so what it will be? 10 times D2, correct? Okay, so second one, D1 is the common difference. There are 10 terms in between, so 10 times D1. Okay, still not done, right? Now, I don't have an option. I have to open this up. Okay, let's do that. L1 plus 99, D1. Okay, 10D2 plus W1 plus 89 D2 times 10 D1. Okay, so what do we do? I club these two together and these two together. Okay, what do I end up in getting? 10 is common. I get L1 D2, right? Plus W1 D2. Good news, right? You can use this one. Okay, what is left? Okay, D1 D2 I can take common. Okay, this D1 D2 I can take common. What is left is 990, and from here it is 890. Okay, good. Okay, so 10 times this is 10. Okay, because you can use this one. It is 10 plus d1 d2 is again 10. And what is this number? Let's write it down. 0, 18, 1, and then this is another 18. Okay, so what do you get? 18900. Okay, that's a kind of weird number, but that is your answer. Okay, 18900. Okay, okay, let's see with another question.